Hi there, for today's reading activity, we are going to be writing a sensory poem. So please go ahead and write today's date, 3-25-21. And then my pizza poem. Okay, so what do you think you're going to be writing your poem over? Pizza. Now, if you really don't like pizza and you cannot write about pizza, then pick a different type of food. But if you like pizza and you've had pizza before, then that's what we're going to write about. My pizza poem. Go ahead and draw a slice of pizza and decorate it here in a little bit. But I like pepperoni pizza. And you can always, once you're done, go ahead and color this, right? So let's go ahead and do our outline for our sensory poem. I see. So this is what you're going to write when you think of pizza. What do you see? I hear. Okay, whenever you're eating pizza, do you hear crunch? Do you hear some crunching noise? I taste. What do you taste whenever you're eating a pizza? I smell. What do you smell whenever you're eating a pizza? Does pizza have a smell? And then I feel. Is pizza cold? Is it warm? Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be writing today's date, your title, my pizza poem, or if you don't like pizza, then you can pick a different type of food. But if you do like pizza and you've had it before, then go ahead and use that. So, I see. Well, what do you see whenever you have a pizza? Talk about the toppings. I hear. Whenever you're eating pizza, do you hear a noise? I taste. What do you taste? Okay. I smell. Does pizza have a smell? Maybe the toppings on your pizza have a smell. And then I feel. Does it feel warm, cool, soft, rough? Okay. All right, I'll go ahead and take a picture of this and put it on the slide. So whenever you're filling out your journal, you can go ahead and copy this template. Okay,